Assalamualaikum. Hello and welcome again to this online class conducted by Madhubur Shoisriti under the special guidance of our Honorable Principal Mr. Bozlur Rashid Khan. In my previous class, I have discussed about indefinite article. Now, today I would like to discuss about definite article. So, please keep your eye on the board. Dear students, definite article, that is the, is used before a definite or particular noun. That is, the noun should be definite or particular or specific. For example, okay, in this sentence, boy is a definite one because if we go through the sentence, we can see that boy who is coming. So, which boy? The boy who is coming is a good student. That's why it's a definite one, and we can use the. Again, I think now a question may sparkling in our mind, that is, how can we definite a noun, or how can we understand a definite noun? Okay, the answer is very much simple one. So let's see what's the trick to follow. Well, dear students, we can definite a noun in three ways. Number one is natural definite, and the number two is second time mentioned definite, and number three is partial definite. Now it's time to discuss about natural definite. Natural definite means single existence. Single existence means which exists only one in the world. Which exists only one in the world. So I would like to show you some example. That is, okay. Etc. Please look at the board, my dear students. The sun. We know that there is only one sun in the world. That's why we can use the. Again, similarly, the moon, the earth, the Padda, the Al Quran, the Daily Star, the Twin Tower. All the things mentioned here are have a single existence in this world, or in the world. That's why we can take the in front of this noun. Okay, I think it's now clear to you. Now I'm going to discuss about our second one, that is second time mentioned definite. Number two is second time mentioned definite. Okay, dear students, if a sentence, or if a noun, if a thing, I think if a noun is mentioned second time in a context or in a passage, we can use the before those nouns. For example, I saw a bird in my garden. The bird carrying Okay, dear learners, please look at the board. I have written here 3 sentences. The first one is, I saw a bird in my garden. Please, the noun bird in the first sentence is mentioned for the first time here. That's why a is used before this bird. But in the second sentence, the bird mentioned for the second time. That's why our rules demand second time mention definite. Here the bird, which bird? This bird. That's why we can call it a second time mention definite, and we must put the. Okay, and again in the last sentence, we can see that it offered me dash seed to plant it in my garden. Seed. Dear learners, please try to solve this blank. Please, at first you have to generate your ideas, what our rules demands about it. Then think and try to put or try to fill up the blanks. Okay, I think you can solve this blank easily, because in our previous sentence, seed is mentioned here for the first time. Now, seed in the last sentence, seed is mentioned here for the second time. That's why, what should we put? We can use the. Yes, the. You are absolutely right. Okay, I think it is also very much clear to you. Now let's jump to our last one. Okay, number 3 is partial definite. Partial means part, which relates or which is relating a part rather than whole, which is relating part rather than whole. For example, dash broken glasses dash disabled people, okay, dash uneducated people, okay, etc. Please look at the board. I have written here 3 examples. The first one is broken glasses. Here glass doesn't mention about the whole glass. That is a part of the glass which is broken, not whole glass we have in the world. That is that's why we can use the, because it's a partial part of a glass, not the whole glass in the world. Again, disabled people. Here people is mentioned who are disabled, not the whole people, That's why it's also a partial definite, and we can use the. Similarly, uneducated people. The mentioned people here who are uneducated, and again we can use the. So I hope it's very much clear to you. Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Stay home and stay safe again. Assalamu alaikum.